Today, I'm introducing the YEEDI M16 Infinity, a robot vacuum and mop designed to bring truly advanced cleaning technology to more homes without the premium price tag. Quick disclosure before we go further, YEEDI is sponsoring this video, and if you're interested in checking it out, the product link will be in the description below. It recently received the Innovation in Affordable Cleaning Technology Gold Award at CES 2026, and after looking at what it offers, it is easy to see why. YEEDI's goal with the M16 Infinity is simple: deliver smart, powerful, and effective cleaning that is accessible to everyday households without compromise on performance. Let's start with what really sets this model apart, the Ozmo Roller 3.0 self-cleaning scrub mop system. This roller is now 50% larger at 10.2 inches, which means it covers more floor in every single pass. Fewer back and forth movements, faster full room cleaning, and more efficient results overall. But what really impressed me is that it actually washes itself while it's cleaning. There's a high-performance air pump pushing water through 16 precision nozzles, constantly flushing dirt off the roller in real time. So instead of dragging dirty water around like most robot mops do, this roller stays clean the entire cycle. You can literally see the difference. No streaks, no smeared residue, just a clean path after one pass. The M16 Infinity's Ozmo roller has an upgraded high-density nylon material that's completely different from older rollers. It actually grabs and lifts sticky messes, dried stains, coffee, ketchup, even mud in a single pass. Spinning at up to 200 RPM with strong downward pressure, it leaves no streaks, no dirty water drag behind, and no need for double mopping. You get a deep, even clean that dries quickly and leaves floors looking polished. On the vacuuming side, the M16 Infinity is powered by Blast technology with up to 30,000 pascals of suction. It easily handles fine dust, crumbs, and even larger debris in one go. Whether it's hard floors or carpets, it transitions smoothly and keeps suction consistent. At the same time, Zero Tangle 4.0 technology uses an airflow directed anti-tangle main brush that actually grabs hair without wrapping it around the roller. Pet hair, long hair, everyday buildup, it gets picked up and the brush stays clean. That means less maintenance and more uninterrupted cleaning. Battery performance is another area where the robot stands out. With PowerBoost Charging technology, the M16 Infinity can restore about 10% battery in just 3 minutes during a mop washing interval. That quick energy boost helps it maintain continuous cleaning across large areas. It can cover up to 500 square meters in a single task, even at max settings, without stopping halfway through. You get consistent performance from start to finish without worrying about it running out of battery in the middle of the job. When it comes to navigation and edge cleaning, YEEDI includes True Edge 3.0 and ADVI 3D 4.0 technology in a slim 95mm body. The air cushion suspended roller extends and adapts in real time to clean tightly along walls and baseboards, while a soft felt edge helps protect furniture from scratches. Advanced 3D vision and AI-powered object recognition allow it to approach stable surfaces closely for detailed edge cleaning, while safely identifying and avoiding cords, toys, pet bowls, and other obstacles. Its ultra-slim design lets it slide under couches, beds, and low furniture easily, reaching areas that often get missed. Despite its strong suction and scrubbing performance, the M16 Infinity is designed to clean quietly. The all-dimensional noise reduction system optimizes the brush, fan, and air duct structure to reduce operating noise without sacrificing power. It works in the background while you go about your day, whether you're working, watching TV, or relaxing at home. The TruePass climbing system uses a mechanical 4-wheel adaptive design with auxiliary leveling wheels, allowing it to cross thresholds up to 2.4 centimeters for single steps or 4 centimeters for continuous transitions. It moves smoothly from room to room without getting stuck or needing assistance. Everything comes together with the truly hands-free self-cleaning station. The Fresh Flow power washing system cleans the mop with fresh heated water instead of reused dirty water, ensuring a more hygienic wash every time. The dirty water box automatically cleans itself during each cycle, breaking down residue and draining it away to prevent odors and buildup. It also features auto-empty technology that can hold dust for up to 90 days, minimizing maintenance to just once or twice a year when combined with the long-lasting mop washing tray. After each cleaning session, it washes the mop, dries it, and empties the dust automatically. The YEEDI M16 Infinity combines deep scrubbing, powerful suction, intelligent navigation, fast charging, quiet operation, and a fully automated base station into one complete system. It is designed for people who want continuously clean floors without constantly thinking about cleaning. With the M16 Infinity, you press start and it takes care of the rest.